The end is in sight for crews trying to get the snow off the roads in Sioux Falls.
The big job. City plows hit the streets early Friday morning, and they've been busy all weekend long. KELOLAND's Kelly Volk joins us live with where the cleanup stands now. Kelly?
Yeah, good evening, Don and Bridget. Plowing is now over in the city streets. The focus has now shifted toward picking that snow up on the arterial streets, and that effort continues tonight, possibly into tomorrow. Now, this dump site behind me where the bulldozer is working, that's where all that snow is being dropped off. Even with a big pile of snow in front of him, Jason Ness is looking on the bright side.
Different. Some snow stacked better than others.
How's this one?
This one's a good one.
He's one of the people in charge of pushing the snow at this dump site once it's picked up off the street.
We're picking up thousands of loads of snow. There's a lot of snow out there.
Street operations manager Dustin Hansen says plowing over the weekend went fairly well, despite high winds that forced crews to re-plow areas and frigid temperatures.
They cause another issue for us because, salt only works to a certain temperature. We do add some calcium chloride, but that only works to a certain temperature as well. So there was still a few slick spots. We had to actually put a little bit of sand on the streets.
While the plows can now take a rest, Ness is still powering through this pile of snow.
We want to try and get it stacked up high enough and back far enough where we can make room for the next time it snows.
Now, this storm also tested snow gates. Hansen told me that their max is about 7 to 8 inches of snow, and some of those streets where there was a lot of drifting, those snow gates didn't work so well. Hansen is reminding homeowners to clear the snow around fire hydrants and mailboxes. Reporting live in Sioux Falls, Kelly Volk, KELOLAND News.
That definitely was a backbreaker. All right, thanks, Kelly. Well, listen to